everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Janie. If you're new here, I usually do videos on Squishmallows, Squishables, Build-A-Bear, Loungefly, Sanrio, basically anything that I think is cute. So if you like that kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps this channel out. We're in the midst of the holiday season, so I'm talking about a holiday bear today, and that is the Christmas mouse from Build-A-Bear. This is an online exclusive. I picked it up a couple weeks ago. I haven't really had a chance to talk about it. I did buy the bundle, so it's the Christmas mouse, and it includes a scarf and a little book that he's reading. So we're going to talk about that in a little bit. If you have any name suggestions for this mouse, let me know, because I'm going to try to start naming all of my bears, which is something I used to do as a kid, and then suddenly I stopped. Or it could just be the overwhelming amount of stuffed animals that I've accumulated or acquired in the past couple of months has been quite drastic for me to keep up with. But the only thing that I just noticed, I've had this bear for like 2 weeks, is the whiskers. I say bear, obviously it's a mouse, but the whiskers are a little bit messed up. Like there's 3 on one side and they're kind of popping up, which is fine. That's not what bothers me. But there's only 2 on this side, and it wasn't ripped out or anything. I barely played with this bear or touched it. It was just sitting in my hallway. So that's something I just realized as I was preparing for this video and trying to get everything together. Other than that, this mouse is actually really soft and cute. I really just was into the picture, I'm not gonna lie. And I hate sometimes that these are online exclusives because it makes it harder to make that decision on whether or not I'm gonna purchase it. And if this had been sold in person, then I could have noticed the issue with the whiskers and have just picked up a different one. It has like a long tail, it's super soft, it has like gray fur all over, little green rimmed eyes, and again the whiskers that I was talking about. So these are the 2 accessories. Sometimes Build-A-Bear includes accessories in these bundles that you can purchase separately. Sometimes they're exclusive to the bundle. So I can't tell with these. I'm pretty sure you could get these outside of the bundle, but they have kind of wiped out the price of both of these. So if I can find it online, I'll let you know the pricing, but otherwise it doesn't say it on it. So I'm going to put the scarf on. So I'm just going to place the scarf on the little cute mouse right now. It's quite a big mouse actually. I really like mice in real life. I think they're very cute, and I think that's probably why I gravitated towards this. So that's what it looks like with its scarf. Super cute, right? It is like tied with one of those fastener guns, which we have at my job. So I'm not going to unclip it simply because then I don't think it's going to sit as well on its body. But there it is. Oops, hold on, let me grab one end. There we go. It's cute, right? And then here's the book. So these are like just the elastic that all the Build-A-Bear props have. It's just an easy way of placing it on their hands. It says Christmas Tales, Build-A-Bear, and inside it says a Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night. I like the green that they used. I like that it says something on the inside. The tag says Xmas Book Wrist. Again, pricing has been wiped out. So I'm just gonna place it on the mouse's hands. Okay. I feel like this is the part that takes some adjustment, is doing it so that it looks like it's reading it, but it's not gonna pop off. It just kind of depends. Oops. Because if I do it like that, it looks a little weird, but if I pull it too much to the end, then it has a tendency to pop off. I mean, it doesn't look weird. I think it looks fine. So that's the Christmas mouse, and I'm going to show you, obviously I already did, but I'm going to show you once again what it looks like in the picture. I think it's cute. It's not my favorite, I'm not going to lie. And I did think this through before buying it, but because I was waiting for a good sale. So I got this, I think, the week of Black Friday or like right before Black Friday. I mean, Build-A-Bear is going to continue to have sales with their online exclusive stuff as well as in stores leading up to the holidays. Anything that doesn't sell that is holiday themed is also going to be heavily discounted once January hits. And I don't foresee this one selling out, I'm not going to lie. I really don't. If you missed my other Build-A-Bear reviews, I'm going to have a playlist in the cards as well as down below. I've talked about the Christmas cow. I talked about the Christmas frog, and I think I've done a couple others. A Christmas tree, you know. I'm trying to upload a little bit more for the month of December because usually I do Vlogmas every year. This year I work 40 hours at my other job, so there's just not really enough time to sustain that kind of momentum unless I had pre-filmed this back in November. But I am trying to upload 3 times a week, so if you have any suggestions on things you would like to see other than collection videos, because I'm still working on that, let me know down below. I would love to hear from you. Tell me how you're doing, how you're holding up. Stay safe out there, stay warm, and I'll see you very, very soon with another video. Bye.